Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to make two different cards. First I'm going to showcase this blue card, and then I have like a red and green one, and I'm going to be using the Glimmer plate and the cutting die with the Glimmer tree and with both cards, and I will be using with both cards as well this stitched die. That's the stitched Argyle die. So I'm really excited to add some glimmer to this stitch card. I love stitching, and I've kind of decided that I like glimmering as well. So I'm going to be making some cards here. So my platinum is ready. So I have my die on there. I'm just going to click the timer button, put my glimmer foil shiny side down, and just wait until that green light is solid. So in the meantime, I can just show you what I've done. I've stitched this out. I tried to do kind of like a little pattern where it was like 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and then just kind of make it, I don't know, different but the same. That doesn't make any sense, but hopefully someone understands. And then I just did stripes of green with this paper, the stitch die. So you can see on the back I have a bad side and a good side. So the side will get glued down and no one will see it after it's glued. So I will just set those off to the side for now so I have lots of room for glimmering, and come back to those in a bit. Oh, my timer just went off, so I am going to de-dock it from the platform and get my paper down. Then I'm going to use my little spacer pad. I don't think I'll need the shim, the thin shim today, which is fine. Okay. And I'll just run it through my die cutting machine to press down that foil onto the paper. Oh, and of course I put the blue on the red paper. Perfect. Just what I wanted to do. Okay. Well, and of course the glimmer looks like it turned out perfectly. You know, I like that combination. I'm going to save this for a different project because how can I get rid of that? That's so pretty. I tell ya. Wow. Okay. Off to the side, and I will try glimmering again with the blue paper and the blue foil. So I'll let my platform warm up again and cut some more blue foil. I don't know, was it Bob Ross who said happy accidents? Maybe it will be a happy accident and it will turn into a really nice card. I don't know. Alright, there's some blue foil. I tell ya. Okay, platinum ready. Blue, shiny side down. Okay, timer on. What a happy accident. I still will take this one and die cut out the tree. I'll use it on something, I'm sure. I'm making a lot of cards recently. Who knows? I just don't think that red would look nice on this one. And I don't think blue would look like it goes with this one. Well, it'll just be another excuse to make a different card. Anyway, if you're interested in this glimmer die and the tree or the stitch die, I will have a link in the description for you. That makes it really easy to find. So if you're interested, that will be there for you. We'll just wait until my timer turns green and we'll be ready to go. My timer has gone green, so I will undock my system, put my scrap paper down. I hope this is wide enough. I didn't even check. Ooh, it's a little tight. Okay, I hope it works. Okay. If it doesn't work, it's because my paper is too thin, but oh well, we'll see. Give it a go. platform has gone through in my Glimmer machine, and let's see how it turned out. I'm just going to dock my system again so it's ready for my next tree. It looks like it turned out perfectly. Yay! I don't even care about this bottom area because it will be cut off. Perfect. And I still want to try some negative space foiling, so I probably will try that with this. It looks fine. Whew. Okay. I'm just going to de-dock that or re-dock this and turn off my machine since I'm finished with it, and then take my my foil plate and put it on my cooling mat and put this machine off to the side because it is hot and I don't want to accidentally touch it. Voila. Okay. All right, let's take off the foil and see what we have here. Lovely. Okay. We'll save that for later. Now I need to cut out my trees to put on my cards. I might even put it inside the card. I have not quite decided that yet, but let's cut it up first and then make that call. So what I am going to do with this is put it over the foiled image and die cut it out. I would definitely recommend doing the foiling first, then the die, because I think it would be very complicated to foil on a smaller piece of paper. So foil, then cut. And we will put that through my machine and see what happens. All right, my tree is ready to go for that one as well as this card. Now I really like this tree, but I think I will put it inside the card instead of on the outside. The colors just aren't working for me. This looks much better. Then I will just press it down. This card without the tree would be really pretty as well, just to showcase some of the stitching, but I really want to use this little blue tree on here, so I will decide to put it on. I love how there's these little diamonds that show through the paper on the back. I think that's really pretty. And I'm going to use liquid glue to put this down. I've used foam tape in the past, which works just fine. I think the double-sided adhesive on the floss is a little complicated, so I'm choosing to use the liquid glue since it sticks to the fuzzy parts of the thread pretty nicely. And I'm going to try to center this. I think I'm going to use my Nuvo drops and just put some globs kind of all over. I bought my Nuvo drops on the Spellbinders website, but you can find them at craft stores or any other place as well. But this one is called White Blizzard, which I use this one quite a bit. This is my second bottle, and I just like how it's kind of opaque, and I like the glitter colors that they have in here. They go with quite a lot of different cards. I like the Nuvo drops because they stay nice and full, and the circles don't just kind of blah and spread out too much. So it's nice and thick. That looks like a good amount to me. Just something to give even more interest to the card. Lovely. I'm going to repeat the process for this card and I will be right back. Pro tip, it helps if you pick up the gem. Haha. All right, well that finishes off both of these cards. So if you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.